My name's Cameron. I'm doing level 2 hairdressing, and my favourite part about the course is probably dyeing hair. Some of the things I've learnt on the course is how to do forward graduation, which is like shaping around the face, and probably a layered cut, because obviously I've learnt how to do the different angles, what you need for each cut. The facilities in the course are like, we have the room over there which has all the hair dyes in, it has high lifting, and then we get equipment provided like straighteners and hair dryers, and there's like a massive machine what you can use to dry hair quicker. And the other equipment provided are like rollers and stuff if you're doing a style. My tutors are actually really nice, so if you have a problem with your work or just anything in general, like a safeguarding issue or anything, you can go to them and they'll help you talk to people that you need to talk to, and they'll show you who to go to if you need extra support. So at one point during the course I was really struggling with my home life, and I told my tutors and they took me to everyone I needed to go to. They took me to finances and managed to get me a bursary for travel and for food at college. So just, yeah, in my opinion, that's when they went above and beyond, because they helped me be able to come into college, because without the student bursary I wouldn't have been able to come in twice a week. It was in September we went to Salon International, and that was basically like a whole workshop of other salons and like little stalls of people that did hair or makeup and everything, and you just got to walk around and you could purchase stuff for your kit or anything and just talk to people that did hair. I think if you're a year 11 student that's considering doing hairdressing here, I would definitely say it's worth it, because when I was in year 11 I didn't think I'd ever do anything to do with hairdressing, and then when we were in that lockdown I started cutting my mum and my dad's hair, and then I thought that I should probably do a course to represent what I enjoyed doing, and it's heightened how much I enjoy doing it. Like, I'd definitely say it's worth it, because it's like a passion now, whereas before it was just something I enjoyed, and I feel like it prepares you to go out in the industry and do whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, I'd recommend it.